Hi, in front of me is HTC Desire 20 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder on this device. You need to start by opening menu and locating recorder, then tap on it, click on this red button over here and tap allow. As you can see, my recording has started, but if you wish to pause it, you can always click on the same button. Then unpause it the same way, and if you want to end your recording, you can always click on the square button over here on the left, name it, and save it by clicking save. As you can see, my recording was successfully made and saved. If you wish to see a list of all your recordings, from this screen over here, you need to tap on this right icon with 3 lines, and if you want to delete one of your recordings, you need to hold it, tap on the bin icon at the top right corner and choose delete. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!